Number 5, Miss Micaela Joy Katubay Villar. She is 19 years old, stands 5'1". She is a devoted Catholic and currently studying Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the Apollo Medical Center College Foundation Incorporated. During her childhood days, she was participated in folk dance contests and contemporary dance contests and developed her shy attitude into a sociable one. She believes that a woman of faith should try hard until the bright future will emerge for her. She advocates helping teenagers about sexual